Okay, let's talk about a hidden fire hazard that's probably in every single one of your rooms.
Yep, it's something your guests are using just about every day.
And, this super common mistake can turn into a huge problem fast.
That's the number of U.S. fires from things like forgotten irons, every single year.
And we're not just talking money. This hits your brand's reputation hard.
So what makes an iron truly hotel safe? Let's break down what to look for.
Auto shutoff. This is your #1 defense against an iron that's been left on.
It's pretty smart, actually. Motion sensors know when it's idle and just cut the power.
Get this, one hotel slashed fire-related complaints by 40% just by switching their irons.
But auto shutoff isn't the whole story. These other features are just as crucial.
And here's where it gets really interesting for your bottom line.
Okay, check this out. Hotels with certified irons saw 25% fewer liability claims. That's huge.
So a safer iron literally means less financial risk for you. It's that simple.
All right, so how do you pick the right one? Let's get into a quick buyer's guide.
These are the absolute must-haves. Let's look at why each one matters so much.
And look for these marks. They're basically your proof the iron meets strict safety standards.
Yeah, there's a huge difference. A regular iron just can't handle hotel-level use.
Because when you get right down to it, this is about way more than just preventing accidents. It all creates this awesome feedback loop that protects your brand and builds trust. So don't think of it as an expense. It's a straight-up investment in trust.
Really, it comes down to this. Making the right choice here says everything.